Cup City. Right.
Yo, I'm asthmatic, don't get scared if I reach for the pump. Mathematics don't apply to niggas with chump. Change gon' happen, but still gangbang talking. No Jesus when niggas be C-walking. Texts keep hawking, cause lately casualties keep getting outlined chalking. Looking like statues, back of the dollar I see all. Balls is too real, remind me of the G-wall. But there I will never stay. Freedom ring through me like the great Reverend MLK. My boy dollar cents then spray like the automatic freshener. I finish my sentence, what more can I say? Bitches be blessing us, but not in the name of the Father. They got no morals, blaming that shit on their mama. It's karma for being so loose in the past. Shit sad, but fuck that. I ain't come to spit about the hoes. For instance, my bros hit me with about 5 of them O's. Shit, I flip them like Olympics. I'm bound to get gold. Niggas got a futon heart, they eventually gon' fold. But P never that. Older niggas laid out the blueprint for me, so I know where to go, know what to do. Ain't Bobby Fish, but I know how to move. I'm like Stella on this beat, cause shit, I know how to groove. I abided by the commandments, it's rules to this game. I made me a pamphlet, cars dealt to me, they was hotter than gambits. See, I'm the man around these parts, god damn it. Y'all better take your boy serious, cause this thing we call life, I take you out of it, I'm real serious. But not to mention, so I can solely take over hip-hop and bring it back to its conception. God bless his keys, open doors. Come try to find me. I seen more keys moved than Steinway. Come to my hood and see life my way. Nothing like Usher Raymond, but by the way, I'm addicted to this thing. Can't seem to give up my control, cause I never lose my game. And keep ducking these hawks like Coach Bombay. Stick to my guns, Antonio, no guitar case. I don't believe in miracles, I just have faith. Pray to God every morning just cause I'm awake. Y'all talking money, but y'all shit looking counterfeit. Shit is unreal like the face on sale. Never judgmental, but my mind appeals to the open-minded. I have an attention disorder, I just never minded. That's the difference, cause I just listen. Take my advice, cause the knowledge I was given could change your life. I played my role, did what I had to get by so I could start building this castle. I think outside of the box and beyond it. Remember, once you start getting this money, don't flaunt it. Don't trust nobody, nigga, not even fam. Cause like Uncle Ice for that cabbage, you gon' start missing fingers and hands. Shit is harsh, why would somebody let us live in this world? Nigga, don't make me start. I ain't one for the preaching like MLK. I never abided by the format MLA. Like the first day of creation, I wish a nigga would make my day. Play by play, I study that shit that needed to succeed. I'm more focused when I'm weeded, so please, nigga, don't tempt me. I don't play no games like a nigga on the bench seat. I don't say no names. Forget those lames. It's your boy PERP Lex. Catch me on Twitter, Who's Perp, WHOSE PERP _ Twitter. You can catch me on SoundCloud. Type in Perp Lex. Let me see what else you can fuck with me at. You can catch me on Dat Piff. Now I just uploaded my new mixtape. Cheers to the real. Go see that. I mean, go check that out. You already know. Just dropped down the 31st. Shit buzzing. So you know what I mean? Like, check it out. You already know. Perp Lex, shout out Cup City, you already know. Fucks with y'all niggas.
Sick, dude. Yup.